Hi, this is Luca Geroli with DirectOut. These days, the audio industry is living a transition period. Different digital transmission methods, mainly based on copper or fiber-specific solutions, are more and more replaced by several audio network technologies based on Ethernet infrastructure. The whole transition will not be completed in one day. Not all new devices are yet directly equipped with network I/Os. Lots of gear already installed or in use are still perfectly working and not yet obsolete. The average user may need some time to achieve new skills and so on. Audio consultants and users need ideas and solutions to manage the transition. MADI, an AES standard since 1991, is probably the most common digital interface for multi-channel audio transmission, widely adopted in broadcast, live, studio and installation. MADI is therefore the best way to interface the old and the new worlds. DirectOut offers interesting tools. Monton 42, a converter between MADI and RAVENNA AES67, EXBOX.MD, a converter between MADI and Dante AES67, and SG.MADI, a converter between MADI and SoundGrid. Let's have a look at some real examples. We will set up a scenario with 3 different conversions, from RAVENNA AES67 to MADI, from MADI to Dante, and from MADI to SoundGrid. On Mac number 1 running a RAVENNA virtual sound card, we create 3 RAVENNA AES67 streams, 48 kHz, 24-bit, 8 channel each for a total of 24 channels. On the same Mac, by means of tracks live from waves, we play back 24 tracks sent to the Ethernet network by means of the 3 AES67 streams. Connected to an Ethernet switch, there's a Monton 42, which acts as a PTP master for the entire rig and will perform the conversion from AES67 to MADI. By means of the Monton's browser-based interface, we set up the input of the 3 AES67 streams coming from the Mac. Via Monton's internal metrics, we route the 24 channels at 2 independent MADI outputs, one coaxial and one optical. We connect the coaxial MADI output of the Monton 42 to the MADI input of the EXBOX.MD, and connect the Ethernet port of the Mac number 2 to the EXBOX.MD embedded Ethernet switch. Via browser, we decide to synchronize the EXBOX.MD on the incoming MADI signal. In the Dante controller, we set the EXBOX.MD as preferred clock master for Dante network and patch the 24-channel converted from MADI to the Dante virtual sound card running on Mac number 2. We are now ready to record the 24 tracks coming from Dante network on Mac number 2, running the Dante virtual sound card and the second independent Tracks Live rig. We have completed the conversion of original RAVENNA AES67 signals to MADI and another conversion from MADI to Dante. Let's keep going and show how to convert MADI to SoundGrid. We connect the optical MADI output of Monton 42 to the MADI input of SG.MADI. Running SoundGrid Studio on Mac number 3 connected to the network port of SG.MADI, we navigate to the settings page to set the work log reference to the incoming MADI signal. The 24 audio channels from the MADI input are patched to the SoundGrid server of the Mac via the patch panel of SoundGrid Studio. We are now ready to record 24 tracks via SoundGrid using a third independent rig of Tracks Live. We have completed the third conversion example from RAVENNA AES67 to MADI and from MADI to SoundGrid. Thanks to the bidirectional capabilities of the 3 converters and the common interface represented by their MADI connections, any conversion is easy to achieve between RAVENNA, AES67, Dante and SoundGrid. Upgrade the device with MADI I/O with new network capabilities and interoperate between different technologies is easy with DirectOut. Thanks for watching.